Here's to good people, goodness, good hearts, good health, some tears, some stress, but I count my blessings.
Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Nina Lachey here, and today is Friday. It's 1:18 p.m. The sun is shining, it's bright. I'm feeling the sun rays on my skin, you know. Today is gonna be a very quite relatively busy day today. As you can see in the background, I need to wash clothes today. And I need to get an oil change. And I need to get my car washed. So yeah, and I'm looking like, I don't even know what I'm looking like today. I'm just ready to get this day going. It's late already. I slept in late today because I was so tired anyway. So I guess better late than never. So I guess we're just gonna go ahead and get this day started. So make sure you stay tuned, keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. I would love that. I want to get to 100 subscribers by the end of June. So if you guys can help me with that, that would be so lovely. So yeah, do that for your girl. Do that for your girl, okay? But in the meantime, watch other videos that I have on my channel as well. I have a couple other videos on there too. So yeah, let's get this day started and see you guys soon. From the store, I thought I was getting top, but I ended up getting some game because I'm a bargain shopper and it's only like $7, so I ended up getting these instead. And these smell just as good as any other ones too. Like these right here, yes. I don't know how to say that name, but yeah, I definitely am a bargain shopper. So I got Gain instead. I got the Gain Tide Pod, so that's what I'm gonna be using to wash my clothes with today. And yeah, let me go ahead and get myself together and drive to this doggone laundromat because it's always packed. We're gonna see what's going on when I pull up. So I just came from the laundromat and it said it takes about 25 minutes to wash the clothes. So I'm gonna head over to Take 5 to go and get my oil change because it's at 5% and it's supposed to be at 100. So I'm gonna go run and do that real quick while my clothes is washing. So I'll see you guys in a bit.
We gave you cold water. Crystal Springs. Nice and cold for the day. Yes. I'm gonna take 5 right now. Because my stuff is literally at 5%. You see that it's gonna get 100.
Let's send a tech. So I just came from getting my oil change. I'm gonna head back to the laundromat. It's only down the street from each other, so I'm headed back to the laundromat now. I'm gonna put my clothes in the dryer here now. I'm pulling up now, so hopefully my clothes is done. So let's see. So I already put my clothes in the dryer. I'm actually just pulled up to Pulp, and I want to get me either an acai bowl or a smoothie. So I don't know yet. I might go with the acai bowl. I'm gonna let y'all see once I get in here. Came back from Pulp. I got the Dragonfruit bowl. I added some bananas and some granola and honey. I'm trying to flip my camera around, but let me see. Hold on. This is how it looks. Car wash was like well needed because I needed that car wash. My car was dirty as hell outside, on the outside. I needed that car wash. So yeah, basically I got everything done today. I got my clothes washed. I got my oil change. I got my car wash, and that was basically all I had to do today. So I'm about to enjoy the rest of my day. I hope you guys like this vlog 4.0. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my videos. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers by the end of June. So please, you guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Share my videos. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying. I'll catch you guys next time on the next vlog. See you guys. Bye.